Fatigue, brain fog, food sensitivities and autoimmune flares. What if the missing link is in your gut? Today we're diving into leaky gut or intestinal permeability and how restoring the gut can transform energy, immunity and mental clarity. So what is leaky gut? The gut lining is a single layer of cells held together by tight junctions. Think of it as your tiny security gates. When those gates loosen, food particles, toxins and bacterial fragments slip into your bloodstream. Your immune system sees them as an invader, triggering inflammation that doesn't just stay in the gut, it spreads to the brain, skin, joints and thyroid. That's why leaky gut is often linked with fatigue, brain fog, food sensitivities, mood changes and autoimmune activation. Why does it show up as fatigue, brain fog and autoimmunity? When the gut barrier is compromised, inflammation slows down energy production, leaving you exhausted. Immune messengers crosstalk with the brain, causing brain fog and mood swings. In those with genetic susceptibility, food and microbial antigens can mimic body's tissues, sometimes triggering autoimmunity like Hashimoto's or joint issues. This isn't just a digestive problem, it's a whole body imbalance, and that's exactly what we do. We look at the body as a whole system to truly help people get well. What actually drives leaky gut? Leaky gut isn't just random. Common drivers include gut imbalances like SIBO, Candida and H. pylori, irritants such as gluten in sensitive people, excess alcohol, processed foods, frequent medication like NSAIDs, stress and poor sleep which weaken the barrier, nutrient deficiencies like zinc, vitamin D and omega-3s, really important. Then we have toxins and chronic infections that keep the immune system on high alert. It's a web of factors, so we need a web of solutions. We want an integrative approach. Across functional medicine, naturopathy, Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, the principles are surprisingly similar. We focus on 5 steps. 1. Removing irritants, cutting down on processed foods, alcohol, gluten or dairy if reactive, and addressing gut infections. 2. Supporting digestion, using bitter foods, warming spices or supplements if needed to restore stomach acid, enzymes or bile. Then we have to rebuild the microbiome with good quality probiotics and gentle prebiotic fibres. Next, we have to repair the lining, the gut lining. So nutrients like L-glutamine, zinc, omega-3s, soothing herbs such as licorice or aloe vera, and in Eastern traditions, warm cooked foods that support digestive fire or spleen qi. Lastly, rebalancing the lifestyle, so reducing stress through breathwork, yoga, qigong, mindful eating, regular sleep and movement. Different systems use different language. Agni, spleen qi, microbiome, but they all point towards the same truth, which is a strong balanced gut equals a strong balanced body. The bottom line, leaky gut isn't just about digestion, it's about energy, mood and immunity. By addressing the root causes, rebalancing the microbiome and nourishing the gut lining, you can calm inflammation, lift brain fog and bring the body back into balance. And that's what it's all about. If you've struggled with fatigue, autoimmunity or unexplained sensitivities, healing your gut may be the missing key. If this resonated, please hit like, subscribe and share this video. And let me know in the comments one gut healing step you're focusing on right now.